A LED push button switch, also known as a toggle switch, is a type of electrical switch that maintains its position either on or off once it has been toggled or pressed, unlike momentary switches, which return to their default position. When released, LED push button switches stay in the position they were last set to until manually toggled again. These switches are commonly used in a variety of applications, including lighting controls, power equipment, and electronic devices, where you want a stable and consistent state without the need for continuous pressure on the button. The positive electrode of the power supply is connected to the NC pin in the button switch near the power supply, and the other NC pin is the LED optical pin and the positive electrode of the bulb device. Connect the negative of the power supply to the negative of the bulb device and the LED pin. The switch is pressed. The switch LED lights on. The bulb equipment starts. The switch reset. The LED light off and the bulb equipment off.